5. What is the answer for question number 5? Please tell me. Okay. Now, the best way, like I told you here, if you look at the options, option it is n by 2, n plus 1 by 2n, and so on. So, if the result is true, it must be true for any values of n. Yes or no? Or the only thing is where n is a positive integer larger than 2007. Now, remember, such type of statement, most of the time it is just to create a confusion. And it's a sequence of starting from 2. So let's say if I say let, if, just a minute. Question number 5. So I say let n is equal to, remove the counter. You can take any values of n. Let's take a couple of values of n and you can try to identify. So if I take, let's say n, if n is equal to nothing but that is equal to, let's say 2, if I take as a matter of fact only 1, if I take n equal to 1, it means my numbers in this series is nothing, 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. That is 2 and 3. And x as the average of odd integers in S. So I'll say what are the values of x and y. So average of odd integers, that is only 3. There is only one number. And y is the average of even integers, that is 2. And the difference, that is x minus y, here it is 1. Let's take n equal to 2. If I take n equal to 2, then my number is nothing but that is 2, 3. And 2 2s are 4 plus 1, that is 5. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the value of x, okay, the value of x here, that is 3 plus 5 by 2, which is 4. Yes or no? Or let me write down step by step. X is equal to nothing but that is equal to 3 plus 5 by 2, which is equal to 4. And y is equal to 2 plus 4 by 2, which is equal to 3. And the difference is 1. If you had any confusion, you can try with one more value. Let's say it is 3. N is 3. So that will be 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, that's 6 plus 1, 7. That it will goes on till 6 and 7. So 3 plus 5 for odd number, 3 plus 5 plus 7 by 3. It will be a middle number. Yes or no? 3, 5, 7. The average will be 5. And for 2, 4, 6, the average will be 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So can you say you'll always get 1? So the answer is nothing but it's simply option A. This is how you should do in the exam. Don't do anything. Just take values at random and quickly you can do it. Is that clear? Can I move to the next question? All right. Question number